Take 12 million. Here we go.
Heyo, this is hopefully going to be a quick video. I was recently in the market for a 12-volt high power cable, and these CableMod ones were on Amazon for $25. And they had two different types. They had a ModMesh and a ModFlex. And I didn't know what the difference between those were. They're the same price, so I got both of them. I couldn't find any videos on the difference that showed the flexibility, which is apparently the biggest difference. So here we go. These are the two cables. This one's just kind of shinier. It also feels kind of plasticky, which I guess makes sense, because I think it's made of PET or something. Whereas this one's made of paracord. I guess probably they're both nylon. This one's at the very least nylon. Paracord's nylon.
Heyo, future me here. So it turns out I was right about the Mod Mesh cable. It is a nylon PET, but I was wrong about the Mod Flex cable, unfortunately. It's not nylon, it's a polyester paracord. So that's going to affect the durability. It's not going to be as durable as the nylon one. And I'm pretty sure the Nvidia one is a nylon one, because I was looking at the flexibility and like, look at that. The Nvidia one versus the CableMod one is like night and day. And this little thing that's constantly coming off on me, it turns out you don't use it. It bends in like this whenever it plugs into the card. And so this would be down here and it gets in the way. So I just took it off and didn't use it. I think all it's supposed to do is stop it from bending. I thought it was supposed to cover up the cables to make it look nice, but it's on the wrong side to do that, at least for the epi cards. So I didn't use it.
But yeah, they're almost identical. I guess I can undo them. This one's the Flex. Something came off. I hope that's the side that went on. It is. Honestly, it looks like you can bend it pretty tight. And let's see how much this one bends. That's what I was looking for a video on. I couldn't find any. So I hope this is helpful for anyone else who might want to know how flexible these are. Honestly, they're about the same. This thing keeps coming off. I wonder if it just sort of goes on there and covers that, huh? Honestly, they're about the same. I feel like they both bend about the same amount. Maybe the flexible one bends a little bit easier. I guess I'd say it bends slightly easier. It could also just because these are in the way though. That thing comes off instantly. These things slide a lot easier on this one. These slide really easy, the cable combs, whereas on here they slide very difficult. It's a lot more difficult to slide them on this one. The bending radius really does look about the same though. It's honestly not hard at all. That was the main difference I had seen looking them up. But it doesn't seem like an actual difference. Also, these are the pins, if it'll focus. Oop, almost. Focus, please. Please focus. Well, whatever, it's not gonna get very close, I guess, but I guess they seem okay. I had read something about split design and leaf design. These look like a single split, which I think was the not as good one.
Heyo, me again, or for the first time, depending on which order I edit this in. So it turns out I was wrong. The single split is the better design. I rewatched the Jay-Z 2 cents video, and he said the single split with little panels in it by Corsair is actually the best design. But the second best design is the single split with triple dimple, which is what the CableMod ones have. So that seems good. I'll upload pictures of the CableMod versus the Nvidia here. But the Nvidia looks to be a double split, double dimple. At least from my pictures, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so I thought I'd put that in here just so I don't have wrong information going out. Anyhow, back to the video.
But I'm not 100% sure. So I guess like it's mainly, the main difference is just if you want the shinier one or the duller one. Anyhow, I guess that's about it.
Oh, one last thing, in case it wasn't already obvious, I ended up going with the Mod Mesh, that's why it's not here. And my main determination for that was just because this isn't nylon. If it was nylon, I probably would have gone with this because it is slightly more flexible. But the polyester is just not as durable, so I ended up going with the nylon just for durability. I mean, realistically, you're not going to really move it around very much, I don't think. I mean, it's in the PC, you just built it once. But just for like peace of mind. Plus, it also matched my other cables because my old cable set was more shiny. It had that more shiny stuff. So anyhow, hopefully this video helped. And that's it. Bye!